Committed teachers are passionate, and that will transfer to our performance. Being committed to our students is just as important as being committed to the other teachers we work with. I found this flow chart and thought it represented commitment for professional action really well. Our skills and abilities connect to our knowledge and understanding, which connects to professional values and personal commitment. I definitely believe that everyone is committed and love what they do, but I think it is more of an individual commitment rather than teamwork. One of the main reasons for this could be lack of trust. A lot of time, ideas are shut down immediately, which destroys trust. I feel that it is important to have a leader, but I have noticed since I have not been teaching as long as some of my other colleagues, they feel as they are the leader. And my view on this is that we are all equal, and it doesn't matter how many years you have been teaching, it's about learning from one another.